Home remedies for headache. Headache occurs for various reasons: stress, allergies, colds, etc. Sometimes headache starts where there is no drug availability, or it happens so often that it becomes unsafe to take medication. Here are some effective home remedies for the indicated symptoms. Removing headache without pills is possible with the help of natural home remedies that do not harm health and bring marked relief. It is worth noting that headache often occurs due to overwork or lack of sleep. In this case, you need to take a couple of hours nap, which is an excellent treatment for headache without pills. During sleep, the window must be open. You can pre-ventilate the room to keep it cool. In addition, the head often hurts from hypoxia, which usually occurs during the winter season, when the heaters burn out oxygen. In this case, walking outside for 30 minutes will help you regain your well-being. Avoid food, drinks and diet identified as possible triggers for headache and migraine, such as meat, dairy products, eggs, fish, nuts, sugar and refined carbohydrates. How to relieve headache without pills. 1. Coriander. Add 1 teaspoon coriander seeds to boiling water. Let the water boil until the strong scent of coriander is felt. Then add half a teaspoon tea leaves and let the broth brew for a few minutes. Drink it warm. 2. Lemon. The intensity of the pain will be lessened by drinking warm water with a little lemon juice. Another option is to apply lemon peel to the forehead and the pain will go away almost immediately. In addition, lemon juice can be used to wipe the temples and forehead, which is good for headache. 3. Cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of this spice must be brewed in a glass of hot water for half an hour. Add a sweetener to this drink and take 2 sips every hour. 4. Ginger. Natural home remedies for headache include the use of ginger. 1 teaspoon chopped ginger should be added to a glass of hot water and boiled for a few minutes. Then filter, and a little honey and the delicious medicine is ready. 5. Betel leaf. A few fresh betel leaves must be minced with a meat grinder and spread over the forehead and on both sides of the head. Leave it on for half an hour and soon the headache will subside. This is another great way to eliminate a headache without pills. 6. Hot shower. When there is no time to prepare various decoctions, go for hot showers. Often, a headache is manifested due to impaired blood circulation in the head due to muscle spasm or cervical osteochondrosis. Taking a hot shower helps to expand the vessels, but if this is not possible, a heating pad, which must be applied to the neck area, or a woolen scarf, which must be wrapped around the neck after lightly rubbing the area of its back surface, will help. 7. Cold compress. If the headache is due to allergies or stress, cold helps. So, you need to moisten a linen napkin in cold water or wrap the ice with a towel, and then apply it to your temples and forehead. You can apply a cold compress to the neck and shoulders. However, you should not use ice without first wrapping it in a towel, for the reason that it may cause vasospasm, which will increase the headache after a little relief. 8. Aromatherapy. The aromas of essential oils of plants are real natural recipes for headache. The scent of lavender relieves tension, relaxes and soothes, and also helps to sleep. The mint scent soothes the nerves, which is often the cause of headache. The peppermint oil must be rubbed into the scalp for 10 minutes. Instead of peppermint oil, you can use fresh mint leaves, which need to be ground into a gruel and rubbing gently on the back of the head, temples and the crown of the head. If headache occur frequently, it is best to see a doctor. An experienced doctor will diagnose and tell you how to relieve a severe headache. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.